Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did that dancing AI video, that dancing baby AI sweet video. The thing is very easy. I didn't know that it was going to be easy like this. Do you know, before I used to think that before you can do this type of video, you need to subscribe to one kind app or paid AI app. But since I got this update, that's why I always tell you guys to subscribe, because me on this channel now free things I go dey bring here, bringing free updates. As you see me, so me I no get money to subscribe for any app. Me I like free things. So if you too you like free things and you like the vibe too, do well to subscribe, so anytime that I drop any update you'll get the notification. So this update that I'm about to teach you, to show you, is very free. You're not going to subscribe, you're not going to download any app to do it. So please stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I did that amazing AI dancing video. And you know, you cannot only do that type of video, you can do so many types of AI dancing baby video, whether it's a small little baby or an AI that looks like a human being. Okay, so please stay and watch to the end. I went to ChatGPT. So I'm typing what I want it to generate for me, my preferred AI character, okay? So you can go ahead to tell ChatGPT your preferred character, your preferred AI character. You can also tell it how you want your AI to look, the kind of clothes you want it to wear, okay? And the kind of color of hair you want it to have, or the kind of footwear you want your image to have. So if you don't have an idea of what to tell it, you can just copy my prompt and just paste it on your ChatGPT. If there is any adjustment you feel like you want to do, you can still do it and it will still give you what you want. So I told it, create a 3D doll character. I want it dressed in a purple crop top, labeled Create with Mimi, and a blue beautiful trouser with white sneakers. And because I want my image to look sharp, I told it, please, I want it to look high quality and cinematic standard, okay? So let's see what it's going to give us. It's creating the image. You just have to be patient, okay? Still creating. So it generated this image and I didn't like the image. Initially, I didn't like it. So I went ahead to tell it to, change the image for me. Okay, you will see beside the image, you will see an edit sign. That is where you're going to type what you want. If they generate a picture for you that you don't like, you can still tell it how you want the image to be, that you don't like it. You see, I'm telling it that I want her to look like an AI dancing baby. Okay, now see, my image is being created now. It's creating. So let's wait for the results. Still creating. Now this is the result. You see how beautiful our baby AI looks. Okay, so let's move to the next step. So I went to TikTok. I went to look for my favorite dancer, Lisa Guama. I so much love her. Like, I love the way she dances. So here I want to look for a single video of her I can mimic, that I can use to do my AI dance. Okay, so that's me scrolling through her amazing page looking for a dance I can use. And yes, I have picked this one. So I went ahead to download it. I love this one, so I picked it. Next part, after saving it. So after that, I went to CapCut. You know, CapCut has a lot of features you can easily use. So as I went to CapCut, I went to projects. Then I clicked on create. It brought me to my gallery. I picked my image, and voila, see my image here. So I went ahead to click mimic motion. I clicked on mimic motion. So I clicked Lisa's video. My AI is going to mimic her. You can see she's already inside the box. So that's her video there, and I went with move point 1.5. Now let's see our result. I clicked on generate. Wasn't it amazing? You see how easy and simple it was. I didn't even pay any app. You know, before they'll be telling you, oh yeah, pay this app or subscribe, download this one. You see how easy it was, and it gave me what I wanted. So you can also try this at home. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. If there's anything that you feel like you didn't understand, you can interact with me on the comment section. I'll be replying everyone's message. Like I always say, this channel is for free updates. When I mean free updates, no time to lose guard for this Tinubu regime.